All right, Senators Kushner and Cabrera, Representatives Sanchez and Wilson, and Representative Weir. My name is Kristen Besega, and I'm speaking as the president of the Glastonbury Education Association, a union of more than 500 teachers who in turn nurture over 5,500 Glastonbury students. And I'm speaking in support of SB 1371. The current system of termination for public school employees is unfair. In the current system, teachers may appeal their termination to an impartial panel, but the determination of that panel isn't binding. It's simply a suggestion to the Board of Education. In what other circumstances can an impartial panel see all the facts of the case, hear about all the mitigating circumstances, rule in favor of the employee, and have them still lose their livelihood anyways? I personally have known teachers who have resigned cases that they could have won an appeal, but they felt that the board was just going to fire them anyways. If the panel's results have no consequences, then how fair is that? There are teachers who would still be in the classroom today if our system of termination treated teachers fairly. Teachers deserve to have their termination cases heard by a neutral arbitrator, just like we have in so many other areas of labor law in Connecticut. But the current system of termination for public school employees is unfair. Under the law, there are still 6 ways to terminate a tenured teacher in Connecticut. There's insubordination, there's incompetence, disability, but the very last of those reasons is due insufficient cause. Due insufficient cause is a lower legal bar than the just cause that we're asking for. Due insufficient cause is ambiguous. Due insufficient cause is the standard for teachers, but just cause is the higher bar, is the standard for every other class of public school employee. So I'm not asking that teachers receive special treatment or unreasonable protection. I'm asking for the same treatment as other public school employees for whom just cause requires fair notice, prior enforcement, due process, substantial evidence, so when the investigation occurs, that evidence is actually found and brought forward, equal treatment, progressive discipline, and consideration of mitigating circumstances. So teachers aren't asking to be shielded from consequences. We're simply asking for the same legal rights and termination as our peers in public education. Our paras, our nurses, our school administrators all have a just cause standard in termination. We're asking for just cause like our police officers and nurses and other public employees. And we're asking for neutral arbitrators who can make meaningful decisions in teacher termination. So please support SB 1371. At this time, I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Thank you for your testimony. Looks like you're in the classroom.